Hi, dear friends, how are you? I hope you will be fine at your place. Today, we are talking about learning English speaking, about how we can feel learning English familiar more than other language. So, guys, stay with me till the end this video and listen it. We are learning English speaking through this YouTube channel with these videos. you know I made a lot of videos on the learning English speaking, and a lot of videos I uploaded in this YouTube channel for learning English speaking. You can watch these videos in this channel anytime. They are opened for all of you. So, guys, we are talking about learning English speaking. There is major difference between learning English speaking and learning English. Guys, please listen it once again. There is major difference between learning English speaking and learning English. You know, English speaking is more differ than English. If you want to know English, it is different thing than if you want to know learn English speaking. In this YouTube channel, you can learn English speaking. So, guys, like this video and watch till the end for knowing about a new topic that we are talking on today. Okay, I told you learning English speaking and learn English are different things. Learning English speaking and learn English are different thing. I think learn English speaking is very easy, but learn English is not easy like learn English speaking. So, guys, I advise you to learn English speaking than English. If you want to learn English, you should to learn English speaking first. After learning English speaking, you can learn English. So, guys, you know, I am prefer you to hear for learning English speaking. You know, for learning English speaking, you don't need writing in English, don't need no read in English, don't need know about words in English, about pronunciation, about spelling of the word. You don't need knowledge about tenses, about sentence structure. I think you need only speaking. You not need only speaking. If you know your native language easily, you can learn English speaking easily. There is need only speaking your native language. If you know your native language, you can learn English speaking like your native language by listening. You need only listening. If you can listen, you can learn English speaking. But you can't learn English with listening. You need for learning English words, write in English and read in English, alphabets, spellings. But for learning English, you don't need these things. You can learn English speaking without knowing reading English, without knowing writing English, without knowing grammar of English. You can learn by listen. You can learn by listening English. So guys, I started this channel for learning English speaking. You can learn English speaking by listening these videos time to time when you have free time. When you have free time, you can listen these videos. These videos need only few minutes. I uploaded these videos in a limited time. It means these videos are 5 to 10 minutes. It means these videos are very little, so you can watch these videos easily. Thank you guys, thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Don't forget this video to share with your friends, with your other people that want to know about English speaking. Thank you very much.